Well, what a day. Are we having fun yet? If you're not, check your pulse because there might be something wrong. It's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on The Pursuit of Wealth, everybody. Today is Monday, September 11th. Hope you had a great weekend. And in this video, we're going to be discussing Canopy Growth absolutely exploding today to a high of $1.40 USD and still counting. But very exciting day nonetheless. ECB also flying over 50%. So again, are we having fun yet? Let me know in the comment section below. But welcome back on The Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ stocks, crypto assets, and interviews. Also home of the best MJ community on the planet. Before we jump to it, make sure to smash the like, help support me in the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, all that good stuff, and you'll be notified on any future videos or whenever I do a live stream. Also, great day for it, but I just launched the POW merch store, and I've got over 20 items ordered so far. Thank you very much for the support, everybody. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. From the bottom of my heart, I do love each and every one of you. And if you go to the About section here on my page on YouTube, you can just scroll down. There's POW merch there, and then you can order that, and there's also a 10% off until the end of September. So the code for that is POWG420, so POWG420. And as you can see, I just listed this today. So Team Canopy working on this. I had Team Tilray and Team XRP, and this was a popular request. So there's now Team Canopy as available as well. And make sure to give Pow Group a follow on X, formerly Twitter. The handle for that is @GroupPow. I'm going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. So again, the handle for that is @GroupPow. And also wanted to mention that Wealthsimple is giving away tons of good rewards right now. You can get 4 times the award. So if you sign up using my link, if you just go to the About section, scroll down, here's all the links. And Wealthsimple's listed there. So if you just click that, you can actually sign up, get a free stock, and you can get up to $1,200. So anywhere from, I think it was $40 to $1,200. If you use my referral link, I will get a kickback, full disclosure. But do you recall my video from just a couple of days ago? Canopy Growth, I said, where's the top? Is it time to cool the jets? We were up 170% off of the lows, and I said that we could potentially see even more upside from there. And we have the vote coming up on September 25th at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So Canopy Growth reminds shareholders to cast their vote for upcoming annual general and special meeting of shareholders to be held on September 25th, 2023 at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So as we know, share consolidation is one of the proposals in there, and they're actually recommending, the board of directors of Canopy Growth unanimously recommends that company shareholders vote for all proposals. So one of those is the reverse split and the share consolidation. But obviously today up to $1.40, the timer has started. So if we close today over $1, we'll start that timer. We have until January 11th. So it was 6 months from July 11th, which would put us into January. So we're very, very well set up now to potentially regain compliance organically. And just because it gets approved in the special meeting, the share consolidation and reverse split doesn't mean it will actually be enacted. So just keep that in mind. And market makers could use that as a way to create emotions and make people panic sell. But I wouldn't be surprised at all. In my video here, I said I wouldn't be surprised at all if we got above $1, maybe $1.25, maybe even higher than that based on the lack of resistance. I said this is the time where they create FOMO. And FOMO is absolutely real. If you take a look at the low there at 38 cents, approximately now up 270%. So that is massive, and that's what happens when we're beaten down 99% from all-time highs or 52-week highs. We're down 99% on a name. This is what usually happens: is they run it, they make people FOMO buy, and then they panic sell on the way down. It's the exact opposite of what we should be doing as investors, right? Trading's one thing, support and resistance. If you're a day trader, that's great. Not knocking that. This is a day trader's paradise at the moment, but if you're down 99%, this is when these big moves happen. And Schedule 3 potentially being the new norm for MJ is huge. Biggest thing in the MJ industry yet in our lifetimes. And like I said, don't be surprised. We're probably going to top out here soon. I said a lot of our names, Canadian MJ stocks, were looking way stronger. Now you're seeing why, but this is a good thing. We saw Tilray move first, the leader in the space, per dollar volume, right? The most dollar volume traded out of any MJ stock, right? We were in the billions, I think 2.2 billion back in March. And when names like that are down, 97% from their all-time highs or 99% from their 52-week highs or all-time highs, you want to see the leader in the space per dollar volume really start to see some decent moves off the low. And once that happened, and once we started to see that strength in Tilray, I expected that to go down to the tier 2s and the other tier 1s and the tier 2s and the laggers, right? Canopy used to be the granddaddy of the space, but now it's Tilray, right? Based on market cap and dollar volume traded in a day. So CGC, it was only natural that it ran after, and you can see that the technicals were absolutely exploding. If we take a look at the weekly time frame, we had the 50 weekly there at $1.79, so we had a lack of resistance there. And I said we had the 200-day moving average at $1.58. So I expected to move up to around $1.25, maybe even higher than that, to get this get this going. Look what happened to Tilray. It got above its 200-day moving average. Look at SNDL. It got above its 200 moving average. Look at OGI. It's working its way back to its 200-day moving average. So I would say that OGI has got $2.45 in sight, but that gave me confidence in saying that CGC would get back to around that $1.50 area. And psychologically, that is a nice rejection to be coming off of. And then I wouldn't be surprised if we pulled back from here, form a daily high or low somewhere around their EMAs there, around 75 cents. We could dip below $1, so don't be surprised if market makers use this as a way to play emotions, right? They're going to play people like a violin. People are FOMOing in here, and we could easily pull back 50% and just be healthy as can be, right? We know that we still haven't confirmed a monthly uptrend. We confirmed a weekly uptrend with the low, high, higher low, and higher high, looking really good. Still could see an EMA 12 and 26 bull cross as well. And then on the monthly time frame, we still haven't confirmed a monthly uptrend with a higher low and higher high. So we still got some work to do. We still need that monthly higher low and pullback, which would just be healthy. And we're targeting that EMA 12, which is there at 210. And again, if we use TLRY as a comparison, you can see here it got back to its EMA 12 as well. What was Sundial doing? Getting back to EMA 12. So what do you think the next leader in the space is probably going to do? Get back to EMA 12. So this was a great opportunity. Congrats to the bulls that bought the dip, getting tons of messages, people that were thankful of calling this out. And take a look at the daily time frame. It's still nowhere near seeing a golden cross. Last time that happened with the 50-day below the 200-day moving average, when that happened, price went from a low of about $14 all the way up to 57, almost 58. What was it? 56.50. And then we had the death cross with the 50 above the 200-day moving average. Price went from about $24 all the way down to 30 cents in the 30s. And now we're potentially see a golden cross occur again. And we're way more beaten down than last time. So one would assume that we're more than likely going to see tons of upside from here over the next year or so. And then we could see so many catalysts, right? And this isn't financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'll never tell you to buy, sell, or hold. I only tell you what my thoughts and opinions are and what I'm doing and what I would do in your situation. But everybody's situation is different. We have legalization of medical potentially in the U.S. We have safe banking uplisting in the NASDAQ. We have HHS potentially recommending Schedule 3. We have full-blown federal legalization in the U.S. We have Florida potentially on the ballot for 2024. We have Germany coming online. We have Bahamas looking into it as well. Game theory playing out. We have the MJ Act review here in Canada. Again, are we having fun yet? Because this is absolutely amazing, and we haven't even started anything. We haven't seen anything. We're still in halfway through the first inning. We're the tip of the iceberg, and I'm excited. But this will be the meeting to be watching out for. If they approve this and they approve the reverse split and share consolidation proposal, I think that's going to be the top indicator. People are going to get really, and we're even due for a potential cool-off session in the broader market. People are going to get, they're going to get scared and fearful, and then they're going to more than likely pull this back to $1. I would say flush it of $1, and then people are going to say, oh, look, we're back below $1. It's time to panic sell. They FOMO bought here, then it pulls back 10, 20, 30%, maybe even 40%. They lose their ever-loving minds, dips below $1, and like, oh, yeah, there's no way, we're doomed again. And then they sell the bottom again, right? Just rinse and repeat. So congrats to the bulls. That'll be the day to look out for, September 25th. So from today, we're looking at 2 weeks from today. And like I said, make sure to go over and grab your swag here, Team Canopy, if you're so interested in that. And then, like I said, there's a ton of other options as well if you want just a POW swag. But like I said, take advantage of that 10% there before the end of the month is over. POW Group members also get 10% for life. So going at it there, it's Rod with POW Group. Thanks again for joining us in the Pursuit of Wealth. Hope you have a fantastic day. Let me know in the comments if you're having fun yet.